your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Welcome back. Our Skyview camera in Longview shows plenty of rain falling right now, and that's helped to keep the temperature down at 72 degrees, which is a far cry from what we've seen the past several days. So without the rain, it would be a pretty nice day, but you do have some rain to contend with, and that's because we have Francine down here in the Gulf of Mexico closing in on the Louisiana coast, getting ready to make landfall here within the next couple of hours, and that's bringing us some rain shower activity here in East Texas. A closer look at the storm: 100-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds, a pressure of 972 millibars. It's a Category 2 hurricane, not the prettiest, but still a formidable one, with the potential to cause some pretty serious disruptions down in Louisiana. But back home, we're just seeing some light rain showers, moderate to heavy at times, but not anything that's going to cause anything in the way of flooding or anything that of that matter that we would have to contend with like they're dealing with down in Louisiana. A closer look shows we're looking at some pretty moderate to heavy rain at times, extending from near Rusk all the way up to around I-20 in the Longview area, where we saw the rain falling on the camera just a moment ago. And Futurecast shows this activity will continue for the next several hours before it starts to diminish as we head into the overnight hours. And then during the day on Thursday, the clouds start to clear out and our temperatures start to warm up once again, as the clouds will not be helping to hold these temperatures back. But rainfall totals look to be on the light side here, so not going to have to worry about flooding. Anywhere from a quarter to a half of an inch of rain, especially along the I-20 corridor where we've seen rain falling for most of the day. Temperatures have been held down quite a bit because of this rainfall activity. 70 degrees right now in Center. We're looking at 77 right now in Tyler, 80 degrees over towards the DFW area. And this is much cooler than what we were seeing this time yesterday, up to 18 degrees cooler in Gilmer than we were this time yesterday. Tonight, temperatures will fall into the upper 60s. The showers will be lingering around for a few more hours into the evening before they start to clear out, and then the clouds start to clear out as we head into tomorrow. And that's why we'll be looking at temperatures once again rising into the 80s across the area. And the 7-day forecast shows that temperatures will continue to rise as we head into the weekend, looking at mid-90s by Saturday and Sunday, with an isolated chance for storms returning Sunday and Monday. And the same can be said down in deep East Texas, where we'll be seeing temperatures once again rise into those 90s, with an isolated storm chance for Sunday and Monday. And for weather all the time, you can always visit our website at KETK.com.
Braden, thanks.